Hello student, good morning. Today we have discussed about the short answer type questions of lesson 5 food health and hygiene. And you know that in previous online class I have given two questions of shortcuts of lesson 5 short answer type questions given. In this video we discuss all short answer type questions. First homework, those are given in homework, then other questions those are left, then discuss. But I request you in comment box you have to write name, class and section for your attendance. So here see give short answers. You know that these two questions, question of first and second, these two questions I have given as a homework. First we discuss about the homework. Why do we need food? Why do we need food? Answer is we need food to live and stay healthy. See again, why do we need food? We need food to live and stay healthy. Now question number 2, which disease is caused due to lack of vitamin A? Which disease is caused due to lack of vitamin A? Answer is night blindness is caused due to lack of vitamin A. The night blindness is caused due to lack of vitamin A. These two questions I have given as a homework. So here I am completed the homework. And now next question. Question number 3. Why does our body need protein? Why does our body need protein? Answer is our body needs protein for repair of worn out cells and to build body tissues. Listen again. Our body needs protein for repair of worn out cells and to build body tissues. Question number 4. What causes malaria? You know that malaria is a communicable disease. Malaria is a communicable disease. This disease is spread or transmit from one person to another person. Malaria is caused by protozoa. Malaria is caused by protozoa. Next, question number 5 and last. Why is water essential for our body? Why is water essential for our body? Answer is water is essential for our body for proper digestion of food and growth of our body. Water is essential for our body for proper digestion of food and growth of our body. I repeat again, see one by one. Short answer type questions. Why do we need food? We need food to live and stay healthy. Question number 2. Which disease is caused due to lack of vitamin A? Answer is night blindness is caused due to lack of vitamin A. Question number 3. Why does our body need protein? Our body needs protein for repair of worn out cells and to build body tissue. Question number 4. what causes malaria? Malaria is caused by protozoa. Question number 5, why is water essential for our body? Water is essential for our body for proper digestion of food and growth of our body. You have to write these questions and answer, write in copy in proper way. Okay, I will send the PDF file of these questions. Okay student, now you have take copy and pen. Now write homework of lesson 5, food, health and hygiene, date 28 August. Homework is answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Long question. This is a long question. So first question is, name 2 communicable diseases caused by A. bacteria, B. virus, C. protozoa. Means you have to write 2 communicable diseases. Those are caused by bacteria, virus and protozoa. Means give 2 disease name caused by the bacteria and then give 2 disease caused by the virus, then write, you have to write 2 disease caused by protozoa. Next question, question number 2, how can you prevent diseases from spreading? How can you prevent diseases from spreading? Next, third question, name different nutrients present in food. Name different nutrients present in food. Describe at least one function of each. Means first you write all nutrients name, means protein, fat, carbohydrate, vitamins, minerals, roughage, and you also write at least one function of each. One function of protein, one function of carbohydrate, one function of fat, one function of vitamins and minerals, and one function of roughage. You try to solve this homework, but you know that in next video I will solve this homework in next video, and I request you in comment box you have to write name, class and section for your attendance. And I request you, this is your last lesson for the half yearly. Show whatever your exercise or question answer, whatever your left, you first you have complete the classwork or homework in proper way. Make always make sure you have make a proper way copy, classwork copy. Okay, and in classwork copy you have to write all exercise, question, answer. Okay, and next day, means after few days, I will draw the diagrams of each lessons, means lesson first, second, third, fourth and fifth also. So you already mentally prepare for this work. And again I request you, always keep in mind, in comment box you have write name, class and section, in comment box for your attendance. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you. Best of luck.